Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Grow with Arnav. This is Arnav Vitlani, and today we are learning a new skill that is a C language. Introduction to the C language. C is a procedural programming language. C language is the system programming language because it can be used to do low-level programming. The main feature of the C language is the low-level memory access. It is used in a lot of scientific computing like AI and ML. C and C++ code is very much faster than the code written in Java and Python. Applications of C language. It is used in hardware devices, operating system, drivers, etc. What is C tokens? C tokens are the building blocks in C language. C tokens are the smallest individual units. The types of C tokens are keywords, identifiers, constants, operators, specific symbols. Keywords. Keywords are the predefined and reserved words used in programming that have special meanings to compiler. Keywords are autobreak, character, continue, default, etc. There are a total of 32 keywords in C language. From them are long, int, double, character, continue, switch, etc. Identifiers. Identifier refers to name given to entities such as variables, functions, structure, etc. Identifiers must be unique as they are created to give a unique name to an entity to identify it during the execution of program. Identifiers names must be different from keywords. Example, int money, double account balance. Here money and account balance are identifiers. Constants. A constant is a value that can't be changed during the program. Decimal constants can be 10, 20, 450, 360, etc. Character constants can be small a, capital B, small d, etc. Octal constants can be 021, 033, 016, etc. Operators. An operator is simply a symbol that is used to perform operations. There can be many types of operators like logical, bitwise, relational, etc. Arithmetic operators are plus, minus, multiplication, division. Relational operators are smaller than equal to, greater than equal to and not equal to. Logical operators can be and, or, and not. Special symbols. In programming language, the special symbols have some special meaning and they cannot be used for other purposes. Square brackets, parentheses, curly braces, asterisk, ampersand, etc. Thank you for your attention, and to get the notes and the PPT, you can access the link given in the description box.